How to verify ID on PayPal or how to verify your PayPal ID. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify ID on PayPal. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. You can simply open up your PayPal application, and if your ID isn't verified, you'll get this pop-up at the top of the screen that says submit info to access your funds. So you want to tap on it, and then it'll take you to the verification page where it'll ask you to submit your details. So first I'll go through. You can see it'll ask you to enter in certain details. First you'll have to upload a photo ID. So it'll ask you to upload a photo ID and a proof of address issued within the past 12 months. You can take photos with your phone. Make sure the picture is clear and then upload it here. You can simply tap on upload a photo ID. You can tap on resolve and then tap on document type and select the document type. You can either upload driver's license, passport, national identity card, or official government issued photo ID, and then select it and then add a picture of it, add a file 5 MB each, and then submit it, and it'll take time to verify. So this way you can verify your PayPal ID. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.